Do you sit down to study or work and you get lost on your phone? Or maybe you wanted to focus but your mind just runs away? Clicked on the right video. Today I'm going to teach you Pomodoro Technique, which is one of the best way to stay focused. I know this problem well. I tried to study for long hours, used a lot of tricks, but nothing worked. When I implemented Pomodoro Technique, I could complete things faster and stay focused for long hours. In this video, you'll learn 3 things about Pomodoro Technique. So stay till the end so that you could use these 3 things to change your life. In 1980s, a student named called Francisco was trying to study, but the work seemed larger. He could not start the thing or finish the thing. So he took a small, half a tomato shaped kitchen clock. He put a 25 minutes timer and he told to himself, I will only study for 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, he took a break and so on. He continued. He repeated this process and then he thought to himself that this trick is working like a magic. So this is how the name of Pomodoro came to this technique. Pomodoro means tomato in Italian. Why does this matter to us? If you study for 3 hours continuously without breaks, you could only remember the first 30 minutes and the rest 2.5 hours goes to waste. But if you do a repeated small amount of work, 25 minutes of studying, 5 minutes of break, repetitively, you could remember a lot of things because your mind would stay fresh. It would help you read more and retain more of that knowledge. Think about it. If you tell yourself, I have to read for 5 hours, it sounds scary. But if you tell yourself, I will read only for 25 minutes, it's a small task, right? You would start it straight away. That's the power of Pomodoro Technique. How to use Pomodoro Technique? Step 1. Choose a target. Not 10 things, only one thing. If you have to read 10 chapters, select one chapter that you have to finish in this 25 minutes. Set a 25 minutes timer. In this 25 minutes, these minutes are just focus. You don't have your phone around. These 25 minutes, you only focus on the task that you have to do. Step 3. Work with focus. Don't let any distractions come to you. These 25 minutes are only for that work. No messages, no calls, no scrolling. Just work. Step 4. Take a 5 minutes break. After finishing the first 25 minutes, take a 5 minutes break when you just walk around, take some water or something which refreshes you. Don't go back to Instagram or TikTok because you would start scrolling and doom scrolling would just ruin everything. Step 5. After 4 Pomodoro cycles, take a long break. Rest for 15 to 30 minutes and then restart. This works as slotting. Slot 1 of 3 to 5 Pomodoros, slot 2 of 3 to 5 Pomodoros, slot 3 of 3 to 5 Pomodoros, and you would accumulate 5 hours in a day. When I've tried this, I was shocked because within 4 Pomodoro cycles, I was able to do work which would have taken me 1 day to complete. 1 hour of focused Pomodoro technique have helped me finish the whole day's work. Why it works? Pomodoro works because it helps your brain in 2 ways. Stops procrastination delays. 5 hours would have sounded crazy for you. 25 minutes is a doable task. So it will break the initial barrier and it will help you start. It stops tiredness. If you put in hours of work together, your brain would be tired. But if you do it in a smaller intervals and take a break, your mind would refresh. It comes back fresh. It gives momentum. After 1 Pomodoro cycle, you would feel happy. Small wins will make you want to do more. Think about athletes. They don't run for 2 hours non-stop. They would do it in sets. They would run for some time and take some rest, recap or rebound and run back again. Pomodoro technique is like training your brain with small sets of workouts. How you can use it? For students studying history, 1 Pomodoro cycle is equals to your 1 chapter. Math, 1 Pomodoro cycle is equals to 10 sums. After 4 Pomodoro cycles, you have studied for 2 hours without pain. For office workers, you have to write your code. 1 Pomodoro cycle should be your outline. Next Pomodoro, you do your syntax. Next, edit it. That makes boring work easier. For life tasks, if you have to clean your room, keep a 25 minutes timer. In that 25 minutes, you would have cleaned your room totally, which would have taken days or weeks because you were not willing to start. Pomodoro Technique would help you start. Pomodoro Technique, it's not just a tomato timer. It's a smart way to do your work. It makes big jobs smaller, breaks it down into 25 minutes of doable tasks, keeps your brain fresh, and it gives you small wins which would help you keep going throughout the day. The next time you're sitting to study, don't think about long hours. Just think about one thing: Pomodoro Technique. And if you're liking what I'm doing here, feel free to subscribe. I've made a video about AI making me a study plan right here. Go check it out, and I'll see you right there.